During the Solicitor General hearing, the hearing for your nomination as SG, you said in response to a question by Senator Cornyn, quote, "There is no federal constitutional right to same-sex marriage." Now, to me, that means the Constitution cannot properly be read to include such a right. Is that what you meant to say?
Senator Cobb, that question was asked me in my role as Solicitor General. The question came to me from Senator Cornyn because Senator Cornyn acknowledged and stated what is true, which is that I had opposed and stated opposition to the Don't Ask, Don't Tell policy. And Senator Cornyn asked me, given that stated opposition, could you perform the role of Solicitor General? And particularly, I think, could you, with appropriate vigor, defend the constitutionality of DOMA? And my answer was meant to say, yes, I absolutely could defend vigorously the constitutionality of DOMA, that I understood what the state of the law was, and that I understood what my professional responsibilities were. And if that case had come to the Supreme Court this year, I certainly would have been at the podium.
But with all due respect, that DOMA's constitutionality is a different question than your statement, and there were no qualifications on it. You said there is no federal constitutional right to same-sex marriage, period. Now, are you qualifying that now? Are you saying that you meant something different by those clear words that you expressed to Senator Cornyn? And I didn't take it out of context.
I was absolutely saying that I understood the state of the law and that I accepted the state of the law.
So you're only saying then that as of right now, the court hasn't declared there to be a federal constitutional right. Is that all you're saying?
I am saying that I very much understood, accepted the state of the law, and that I was going to perform all my obligations as Solicitor General consistent with that understanding and consistent with that acceptance.
So you wouldn't tell us today then whether you believe that the Constitution could be properly read to include such a right?
I don't think that that would be appropriate. As Senator Grassley and I talked about, there is a case that's pending. The case may or some other case might come before the court, and so I couldn't go any further than that.
So then when you said there is no federal constitutional right to same-sex marriage, what you meant by that was the court has not held that there is a federal constitutional right to same-sex marriage.
The question was, could I perform my responsibilities as Solicitor General? Did I understand the law? Did I accept the state of the law? And the answer was yes as to both.